Winter comes alive with the smell of citrus, and the orange is the queen of the orchard as far as I'm concerned. It's a versatile beast with loads of flavour and vitamins, and today we're going to make a foolproof flan that has this great creme caramel texture, and then we're going to drown it in a bittersweet orange syrup. First step, we're going to bring 2 cups of cream to the boil. Now you want to do this slowly so that it doesn't scorch. 1 cup of full cream milk. Full cream's best for that lovely full flavour. We'll add 1/4 cup of sugar. You can use any sugar, it'll all melt the same. Zest of an orange. Again, you can go a little bit heavier on this because the more flavour the better. And cardamom. So mix all this through, just so again it's not catching at the bottom. While that's coming up to temperature, we're going to whisk our eggs. I've got 2 egg yolks here and 3 full eggs. Another 1/4 cup of sugar. I've got raw sugar here, just because I like to keep it interesting. And we're going to whisk this. The more you whisk now, the easier it is when you start combining. Today I'm lucky enough to be making this recipe in Shannon and Ashley's wonderful kitchen from at our Perth Reno. So that milk's coming up to the boil, and we don't want it to boil for long at all because that'll really affect the flavour. This is a little bit tricky, so if you've got another spare hand around, get them to help. Just slowly introduce the cream into the eggs. Okay, so that's great. We don't have any of the egg cooked from the heat, and that's ready to go into our water bath. We're still going to strain it before we put it into these bowls so that it's nice and silky. These are going to go into an oven at about 170 degrees for 30 minutes. While the flans are cooking, we're going to make the syrup. We're going to start with sugar, and we just want it to dissolve. We want it to go a bit darker, but we don't want it burning. And when you can start smelling that bittersweet sort of smell, we'll bring it off. I'm going to put about a glug of triple sec in here. Ooh, that's what I mean about it not being perfect. Oh, that smells good. Okay, and then comes the orange. So these have been in the oven for about 35 minutes. You're still looking for a little bit of jiggle in the middle, and it will keep cooking in the water. So if you're a little bit worried, just let it sit for about 5-10 minutes before you make a decision. But I think we're good to go. To dress these, I've got dehydrated oranges, and then our syrup over the top. And then to finish it off, some ice cream. Parfait.